Hi, my name's Kyle, and I live in a van down by the river. Or, well, 4RUNNER. Things are going great.
Oh, shit!
Still working on drying clothes. I was a firefighter, though, so, like...
Fire! You!
Yo, so the fuzz showed up, so we had to relocate. So, here we are in some neighborhood up above. I'm driving, I have this propane tank hooked up, but I'm not driving. I set it outside. If I want to cook outside, got this tray right here, cook outside. I used to cook outside just because when you're cooking, some of the steam comes up, and I don't want it to be on my roof and stuff. And it's just nice, it's peaceful outside, really. Cooking stuff. Took a regular pan, and I got a cast iron pan, nothing crazy, nothing special. Got an axe right here. Just pulls out. Let's go inside. Alright, so to begin, in here, I just have some, a helmet, some board games, some Yahtzee, some What Do You Meme, stuff like that, shoes, and yes, that's a pair of silkies. I love silkies. All my clothes are underneath. I really have to pack light, and a lot of the reasons because I want to pick up clothes when I'm on the road. I don't necessarily want to bring clothes, and I got some bougie clothes, so it sucks that I can't bring it. And this empty space right here is supposed to be canned goods, just dry bread, stuff like that. This is foam padded, and there's a light right here. It's LED, so you can see inside. Let's go over here. I did a really simple design on here. Obviously these drawers are flying open, and I couldn't find out a way to make them shut. And so I just kind of like bungee corded it, and it worked out great. Yeah, so in this drawer we have like, some cups, some spoons, like the one my grandma used to whip me with. Coffee cup. In this drawer, a lot of spices and stuff. I don't know where my salt is. And then I'm gonna need some plastic wrap too. This tea and just that kind of drawer. This drawer right here, this is super handy. So I need to wash it, but let's say you cook something and it's in this bowl, you can slap it in this bad boy and you're like, ha, ha, hoo, good to go. Yeah, and we just got, like containers, like sponges, this and that. I just got some organic dog peanut butter, which I found out is just organic peanuts. I don't know where I'm gonna put the fruit. I'm gonna put the fruit somewhere else. I'll probably put it on like a bag, and it might be hanging somewhere like over here. Close this on up, you just pull this back. Don't forget to comment. Then if you haven't yet, like and subscribe. If you don't like the content, then you're not gonna like the rest, I guess. So I ended up going with this cooler I bought off Amazon. And I'm not gonna show you what's inside, but I'm not gonna do the whole 12 volt or 120 volt system. I'm just gonna go, I have an Ozark Trail one I'm gonna use for a little while. I used that actually when I was on my Highway 101 trip with Cusco, but I want probably a Yeti 48 liter, just because it's gonna be about this high, it's about that wide, it's gonna be it's gonna fit perfect here, and then if I want to store it, I can slide it underneath this desk. Drawer right here, just DVD players. This is a cool little set right here. That's dirty. But yeah, over here, I got my fishing pole up here. Right over here we have, this is the ladder to the side. And then the ladder is key, and you're like, well, why you need a ladder when you're sleeping on top and you can remove the roof? Peeing at night. Dude, taking the roof apart, especially when you have this huge ass fluffy blanket, taking the roof apart is really sucky. I was gonna do the diesel heater, but I found out you have to have like a freaking $700 battery for the diesel heater. And I was like, yo, dude, I'm not gonna freaking buy a $700 battery for a $200 diesel heater and then have diesel on top of that. It's just stupid. I think it's dumb. Well, in my case. And so I have the 20-pound propane tank, and then I have the buddy heater. And it works perfect. I mean, the whole road trip down Highway 101, I was using this constantly, and I was cooking food at the same time. And that tank, man, I got like weeks left. I think that tank will at least last me a month, and that thing's only $16 to fill up. So the whole like plugging this thing in here, heading up to my friend's house in Vegas, and then we're gonna be making our way across the United States after that, and trying to show Cusco all the cool states before they get too hot for them. And then just see how long we can be on the road, man. I just want to see everything, and I'm just excited. I'm super excited. I got super pumped on the way to Highway 101, and I was like, yo, dude, I just need to get back sooner so I can take more road trips and move out. Hope you guys enjoyed the vid. Me and Kus are gonna be blading, chilling, longboarding, just having a good old time, man. Freaking stalling out in planes, getting all crazy, dude. It's gonna be a wicked time, bro. But stick around. Yeah, good. That got better than I thought I was gonna do.